Hello, my name is Lisa Corello. I'm a dedicated administrative medical assistant with a passion for supporting a healthcare team. I have excellent verbal and telephone communication skills. I am confident in the ability to use Microsoft Office Suite and Medent. I am working in a fast-paced pediatric office using both administrative and clinical skills to ensure children's health. I am currently enrolled at Bryant and Stratton College, earning my bachelor's degree in Health Administration Services. During my time at Bryant and Stratton, I have completed many program and institutional projects. I would like to show you two of my portfolio projects that I have used to improve my skills as a student and as a future employee. The first is an institutional outcome. The outcome is to participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individuals' growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. I chose this project to learn more about interpersonal relationships and multicultural awareness. The knowledge I gained from this project was in reference to the multicultural community. The skills I gained from this project were how to use PowerPoint and how to present the PowerPoint to a class. My behaviors include a mindset of learning about different cultures and how to work with them in the healthcare field. I have never knew before how a culture would impact my future career in the health services administration field. The second outcome is a program outcome. It is research information management systems to evaluate and select technologies appropriate to a particular healthcare setting. I chose this project from my healthcare information system class because it taught me to research information and evaluate the information to see if the information is credible or not. The knowledge that I took away from this project was the different types of systems used within the healthcare settings. The skills I used most were to research and the ability to perform a proper APA format paper. I feel that I will be able to use the knowledge and skills for both these projects towards my new future endeavors. Remember, wake up each morning with a smile and the determination to succeed.